In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar view in Monday.com. This will help you see your tasks and projects laid out by date, so you can quickly understand what's coming up, what's due, and how your workload is spread across the week or month. First, make sure you're already inside the board where you want to add the calendar. This could be a projects board, a content planning board, or any board that uses date columns. The calendar view relies on those date columns, so it's important that at least one column on your board is set as a date type. If you don't have one yet, you may want to add a date column before going any further, so your items show correctly on the calendar. Now, look towards the top of your board. You'll see a small plus sign, usually near your current view tabs, such as Main Table, Kanban, or other existing views. This plus sign is how you add new views to your board. Go ahead and click on that plus sign above your board. When you do, Monday.com will open a menu of different view options you can add. From this menu, find and click on Calendar View. Once you click Calendar View, Monday.com will automatically create a new calendar view for your board. It may take a moment to load the first time, especially if you have a large number of items, but after that it should open quickly. When the calendar view appears, you'll see your items laid out according to their dates. If you have multiple date columns, Monday.com may ask you which one to use for the calendar. Choose the date column that best represents the due date or main date you care about for your tasks. You can usually change this later in the view settings if you need to. From here, you can start interacting with your calendar. You can click on specific days to see which items are scheduled, or click on an item to open its details and make edits. If you drag an item from one day to another, Monday.com will automatically update the date in the underlying board, which is a quick way to reschedule tasks. Finally, you can rename the view and adjust its settings to match your workflow. For example, you might filter the calendar to show only items from a certain group or with a particular status, so you focus on what really matters. Once you're happy, your calendar view is ready to use whenever you need a clear visual overview of your schedule in Monday.com.